If you have a relative and you feel a sense of dislike towards them because they seem worldly, indulge in alcohol, or consume meat, and you feel reluctant to live with them. However, Baba reminds us that they too are Birla's children, Birla, the father of the people. Why do you perceive things in this manner? My karma links us all, as they too are Birla's children, making them my siblings as well. However, it's crucial to recognize that children can be categorized into two types. Some are misled, while others follow the righteous path. We need to guide those who have strayed back to being virtuous. Baba often mentions that some of his children have lost their path, and it's our duty to help them become virtuous again. Among us is the one who can lead the lost back to the right path. This is how you should perceive it. Otherwise, if the children remain lost, it falls upon us to take responsibility. Indeed, we have worldly connections, but choosing not to stay with them reveals an inner weakness, so we must keep practicing. Engage deeply in spiritual practices and strive for spiritual advancement, allowing your influence to genuinely reach others on a spiritual plane. And by transforming yourself, your positive impact will naturally spread to those around you. Without this personal transformation, your influence won't effectively reach others. The more I transform, the greater my influence will be. Understand this clearly. A great deal of courage will emerge from within, as this practice and the year of penance that Baba has bestowed upon us serve the purpose of transforming the worldly into the spiritual realm. All of those who are experienced and seated here must undergo transformation, and it is imperative that we engage in the practice of penance to achieve this spiritual change. We might not give much knowledge, but we can change ourselves, right? We can transform the worldly into spiritual, can't we? We do remember Shiv Baba, don't we?